What's up, everybody? This is Matt with Reimagine Wraps. Here at the shop today, I'm going to show you guys how to properly prep and clean for wrapping your vehicle. We're going to be using this car back here. This is a Land Cruiser. We're going to use it as an example today. Obviously, step one is going to be wash your vehicle. And for step two, you're going to want to get a soapy water solution and a clay bar. So you're going to wet your clay bar down. Wet your surface, and we're going to be doing the entire hood. This is just for example. You're going to go across the surface with a clay bar. This is going to get all the dirt and contaminants out of the pores of the paint. After clay barring the whole surface, you're going to dry it off with a microfiber towel. You don't want to scratch this thing up. You're going to want to get isopropyl alcohol. You can use a 70%, 90%. You can get this at Target, Walmart, anywhere you go to a store. Your last and final step, you're going to get a tack cloth. You can get this at Home Depot, Harbor Freight, online. Amazon's great. You're going to wipe your surface down. This gets off all the fuzz that was left behind from your towels. It also gets off any dust that was in the air in between steps. Put that aside. Grab your vinyl, and you are good to lay it.